Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are also subscribed, thank you to all your tuning. So guys, today's video, I want to show you guys how to light up your local charcoal. Now in Nigeria or even outside Nigeria, gas is very expensive. So if you are finding it difficult to light up your local charcoal, and if you don't have, you can get one. The good news is that I want to show you guys how to lighten it. It's very good, it's very nice, it's very to cut down the expenses because the gas is very expensive. If I want to cook anything like beans, anything that is hard, I use this local charcoal. So without wasting your time, you can see you get your charcoal, and I'm using leather to light up this my charcoal, and you can use kerosene. You can get a little firewood and put on it and add leather and add kerosene. But I'm not going to be using kerosene. I'm using leather. So you can see all the processes. You look for a leather, use leather, then you can light it. You can see how I'm lighting it. So it's very simple and you will enjoy it. So guys, without if you see this video, helps will continue watching and go through the process. You see how I light up my local stove for usage. So I'm lighting it. So this is how to light your stove. You use your matches, light the leader, then you allow it to catch. You can see all the processes. So guys, you can see the light is coming up, and as soon as you light up your 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 leather and it started catching it, what you need a hand fan or whatever that is easy for you. Start blowing it, start blowing your light. You can see process as you are blowing it, the light will come up until you come on, then you start cooking. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. It's a very short clip video, and I decided to share it with you guys. So if you like it, please like, comment, share, and give it a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Guys, I love you all. Bye.